Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and make money with your Telegram channel. So if you have Telegram channel above 5,000 subscribers, you can go ahead and make money with your Telegram channel. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to go ahead and do that, and also there are a few tricks that you can also go ahead and apply to get 5,000 subscribers instantly. Okay, but I'm not going to be mentioning that tip in this video. Okay, if you want to know about that tip, you can go ahead and join my Telegram channel. The link is, or my Telegram community, the link is actually in my description below, so you can go ahead and learn how to get the 5,000 instant subscribers on your Telegram channel very fast. Okay, so right now, as you can see on my screen, this is Telegram, and as you can see, this is the Telegram channel with over 48 with over 40,000 subscribers. And if you check out few other channels, you notice that few other channels have about 23,000 subscribers, and here's my own channel. I have about 2,500 500 subscribers, which is small. And I'm also going to apply that trick if I want to make money on my Telegram channel. Okay, so in this video here, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and do that, and you can go ahead and make tons of money using this tip. You can earn about close to $10 to $50 in a day doing this. Okay, so it's very easy. All you have to do is follow what I'm actually going to be mentioning in this video. Okay, so make sure you have your Telegram channel, and make sure your Telegram channel has about 5,000 followers. The minimum is 5,000 subscribers. And the first thing you want to do is to come to your browser and search for, and type in asli.me/publisher. Okay, so this website is where you're going to be able to go ahead and make tons of money with your Telegram channel. So as you can see on my screen, it says make money with your Telegram channel. Add your channel to the website and be ready to receive ad requests from advertisers. And you have to click on become a publisher. You need to become a publisher, not an advertiser. Okay. So the next thing you want to do is you can go ahead and read through all these things if you want to go ahead and learn how Asli work. And once you're done with that, click on become a publisher, input all the required information right here, and click on register, and that's all. Okay, so once you're done with that, your dashboard is going to look something like this. It's going to look something like this. Okay, therefore you're going to look something like this. Say step 1, starting the boot. You click on starting the boot, and it's going to take you to Telegram, whereby you have to start the boot, and this is the boot right here. Once you start the boot, you click on the start, and it's going to start the boot. And the next thing it's going to say is add this boot to your Telegram channel. So in order for you to do that, you need to come to click on the Asli boot, then copy the username for the boot, and come to your channel, then come to the channel you want to go ahead and add as an administrator. Click on manage channel, then come to administrator, then click on add administrator, then paste the username, then click on it. Then it's going to select all the things you want this bot to do. I would advise you actually select or check only the post messages and delete messages of others and save. Okay, so save, and you can see right here it's added by me, and you can go ahead and close all this. Okay, so yeah, in order for you, then after that you click on done, and the next thing you're going to do is to input your channel link. Put in your channel link right here. So in case you want to go and get your channel URL, you can come to your channel and copy the link and paste it here. Okay, then description, put in those one line of description. So I'm going to put in this. Okay, so I'm going to select this, and I'll just select my language, fill in this. Then you can set your suggested click price. Okay, so I'm going to set this as, I can set this as 0.5, and depending on how I want it, I can set this as $1 if I want. Okay, then I can click on check and submit. This is going to check if, as you can see, the click price must be equal or less than 0.5. Okay, so I need to make sure that my click price is 0. I can set 0.8. Then I'm going to do this, and it says, right, you can see right now it says my channel should have 5,000 or more subscribers. Okay, in order for you to go ahead and start making money with Adsly, you need to have at least 5,000 subscribers on your channel. And once you have that, then you can be able to check this and submit. Okay, and once you're done with that, they're going to give you ads to start promoting on your channel. And when the ad is promoted on your channel, you're going to get money, and the ads will be deleted after 24 hours on your channel. So as you can see right here, this is your wallet balance. This is going to show you the amount you've made on your channel. Okay, on your channel, and you can go ahead and withdraw directly to your payee or your Tether or your Tether USDT, which is a crypto token. So you can see right here, you can click on it and input your TRC address and add method. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys, on how to go ahead and withdraw your money, how to go ahead and make money on Telegram, how to go ahead and add your channel on Adsley to make money. You can add tons of channel to your Adsley account. Okay, so you can have multiple channels and you can go ahead and add them depending on the amount of channels you have. You can add them on Adsley and you'll be able to make tons of money on Adsley. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any issues, guys, go to my Telegram community and post your issues concerning Adsley, and you can also comment them in the comment section below, so I can also go ahead and reply you right there on this. Okay, so that's it, guys, for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, and see you guys in another video.